If you are new in the crypto market, you might be a little worried about where and how to invest. And if you are an old investor and wondering where to invest this year, this video is for you guys. So stay with us and explore various cryptocurrencies where you can put your money. In this video, we will tell you our picks for the $1,000 crypto portfolio in 2022. Now, your investment amount may vary from $1,000, but you can take a reference from this video and invest accordingly. Before talking about how to invest in cryptocurrency, let us learn a little about some of the cryptos where you can invest in 2022. 1. Ethereum. ETH is one of the biggest blockchains when we talk about cryptos. Being the market leader currently, it is facing a lot of issues in transactions. The slow speed of transaction and high fee is creating a hindrance in the expected growing investments. Keeping this in mind, they have decided to develop Ethereum 2.0. Possibly with this, the transaction speed will be improved and also it will become more affordable. 2. Bitcoin. The original and the oldest cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It started the trend of digital currencies. It is the first choice of all investors due to its high returns. Bitcoin is suitable for both long-term as well as short-term investments. And that is why people are mostly interested in BTC. 3. Polkadot. Polkadot is among the good investments to make this year. DOT is the fastest and easiest network than other crypto networks, making it popular among investors. The fee for investing in this network is also very affordable, and you can definitely make short-term as well as long-run investments here. 4. Cardano. Cardano is one of the most trending cryptocurrencies these days. It is environmentally friendly, and that is why many people are switching from Bitcoin to ADA these days. It allows owners to create their validator notes and stake coins. 5. Solana. Sol is also gaining popularity this year and is expected to reach its peak in the upcoming few years. It is bought by investors as an alternative to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Solana makes its transactions very quickly and its rate is also very affordable. Now let us see the different kinds of portfolios that you can create for yourself. There are basically 3 types of investments. Number 1, conservative. 40% BTC, 30% ETH, 10% DOT, 10% ADA, 10% VET. If you are a beginner in the crypto world, this is the best option for you. Play safe for the first few months rather than jumping into the real digital asset world and losing all your money. So here we have taken 40% in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most fluctuating networks. Currently its prices are lower than last year, but we can expect its price to grow in the next 5 years and give high return rates. 30% of ETH also makes you safe for the long run, as these two will make up 70% of your profile and we can see them growing in the upcoming years. DOT, ADA, and VET are also networks where you can invest 10% each for some quick profits. Sol is also one of the growing networks these days, and you can also invest in it rather than ETH. This is because Sol provides good transaction speed and is more affordable than ETH due to its low transaction fee. So Solana or Sol is one of the alternatives for Ethereum if you want to invest. In short, to keep your profile stable and away from huge losses, you need to invest at least 60 to 70% in stable networks that are expected to grow in the upcoming years, as we have shown in BTC and ETH. You can add the remaining amount in small yet less fluctuating networks where you can make profits with time. For example, if we are to invest $1,000 today in the virtual currency, we would put $400 in Bitcoin as it is expected to grow the most in the next 5 years. $300 in ETH as it is also a stable network and is trying to improve even more with the occurrence of new technology. $100 each in VeChain, Polkadot, and Cardano because their list prices are very low and you can easily make some profits here, even in the short term. Because, of course, if you are entering the market, your main motive is to earn some good profits. Number 2, risky but higher profits than number 1. 40% ETH, 20% ADA, 20% DOT, 10% Matic, 10% VET. When we talk about this second option, we can see Bitcoin is removed from the list and we have included Matic in the list. Bitcoin here is not required as its rate of return is much slower than other of these. Bitcoin is really good for the very long term, like 5 or 10 years when its price will be doubled than that of now. But when we talk about investing for a matter of months, ETH is a better option and we would like to put 40% of the total investment in it. 20% of $1,000 will be put to Cardano as it is gaining popularity among people and its technology are better than others. So its price is expected to rise in the upcoming months. 20% in Polkadot is also good if you want to make your profile a little risky. DOT is also gaining investors' interest due to its affordability and speed. Its prices are very low and due to this, if it falls, you have to face huge losses, but if it rises, you are definitely getting good profits. Polygon prices are even cheaper, and investing 10% of $1,000 means buying around 90 of its shares. Listed at 1.6 today, Matic is surely the one you can invest with a little in your pocket. VET or VeChain is another of the small-priced investments where spending 10% of your total investment means a lot. Less than $1, VET can either jump your profile into great profits or it can bring your money down to the negative real quick. So before investing in these currencies, do not forget to look at their previous year's stats and their future predictions. Number 3, riskiest but greatest returns. 40% ADA, 20% DOT, 15% MATIC, 15% VET, 15% XRP. When we are talking about option 3, we can simply remove BTC and ETH as they are well suited for the long run due to their stableness in the market. They are expected to grow in the next few years to make your investments rate double than the current year. But when we are talking about short-term investments like for a month or week, these are the best options due to their fluctuating nature in the market. So keeping Bitcoin and Ethereum aside, we would put 40% of our $1,000 in ADA or Cardano. ADA's current price is $1.13, which is still low as compared to last year. Last year it stood at $2.93, which is more than 100% difference. The list price of all the networks in option 3 is very less as compared to that of options 1 and 2. And the secret to gaining higher profits is to invest in currencies with less list price, as the rise of even 1% in their value will give you more profits. And the risk involved in investing in these is also very high. But as per the old saying, the higher the risks, the greater the profits. Spending $200 in DOT is also very risky, but if it goes up, you can quickly trade them for other currencies and save the profits for yourself. For now, its price is as low as $20, and it saw a hike in its price last November when it turned near $51. This option is mostly for the short run and can prove really bad if you are thinking of investing in the long term. 15% of MATIC is like spending into hell. Even though the price of this asset is as low as $1.50 these days, it has seen a huge drop from December when its price went up to $2.50. Although its fluctuation rate is very low and the difference of each day is not more than 2 cents, coming to VeChain or VET, the price of VET as per today's data is 5 cents, which is still the highest in this week. But when we see the stats of VeChain for the last year, its prices were as high as 25 cents. Spending 15% in VET today may not get you higher returns, so we would recommend you to wait until its price drops down to 4 cents, as the network has not seen a good rise in the past few months, and 5 cents is the highest price it is experiencing. At last, we have XRP. This is the riskiest investment to make in the crypto world because it is dependent on the lawsuit. If the lawsuit passes its existence, you can see the highest profit jump in your account, but if the lawsuit fails XRP, all the money, i.e. your $150, will come to trash. So try and understand the whole world of cryptocurrency before entering into it. As a brand new investor, do not rush into making higher returns and try keeping your profile stable. Once you get experience and knowledge, you are good to go to take better risks. With this, we are ending the video. If you got to learn something from this video, hit the like button and press the bell icon.